name is Joan C. Blanco. I'm 36 years old. I currently in Philippines, married. I have 4 children, 1 boy and 3 girls. I have experienced nanny in 5 years in Philippines.
What are your main duties in your previous employer?
Cooking, laundry, and ironing.
Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Because I need help in my family.
Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Steamed chicken and steamed fish.
Are you willing to learn more?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about an elder person?
Yes, ma'am.
What if the baby has a fever? What will you do?
I will need temperature and I will need my employer.
What can you teach to your employer's children?
Writing and reading.
Can you sing a nursery song? Can you give me an example?
Yes, ma'am. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how about that what you are?
What kind of employer are you looking for?
Nice and understanding.
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
Flexible, obedient, and hardworking.
Can you give a short message to your employer so that they will hire you?
Good day, ma'am, sir. I will need a job, a chance to help her in your family. I finished 2 years contract. Thank you, ma'am and sir.